We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with 42 Vision on Prog. We're going to look at the chart together on the 30-minute, 4-hour, and 1 day to see what's going on, as well as what Ultimate 42 Vision is showing. But this stock took off on Friday after dipping, nearly going up a total amount of 50% plus. Now it kind of fought today and it's pulling downwards. And this is where the opportunities begin for those that are looking for this to short squeeze again, because short squeezes have happened. Okay, we've seen them all throughout and it's been happening since way down here at $1. And this is normal behavior when the volatility starts to crank up and things are near all-time highs. Okay, that is something to be aware of as well. But before we break it all down here and we break down what Prog is looking like in the charts, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, every single day we look for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with Prog. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look for opportunities like these every single day. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So this morning, I only mentioned ISPC, and I came across another stock during the middle of the day that turned out to be a home run as well, guys. So when I pulled this one up here, it was RELI. This was jumping big. I was looking for a pullback. It had low volume. It was high risk, but something I was going to watch as it pulled back if the setup made sense. And this is how they turned out. So here we are with ISPC. When I mentioned it, it was sitting at around $8 and some change. And in the pre-market, it nearly went up 30 to 40% plus, sat sideways and pulled back. And just from that dip after the bell to the high, it gave 20% plus. But from when I mentioned it, it gave a highest point of 50% plus, guys. And the other home run turned out to be RELI. I mentioned it as it was running up, started to pull downwards. I was looking for those transitions on 42 Vision. This was the dip right here in that transition back into strength. Got that bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, and it gave a highest point of 20% plus, almost reaching 30% from that dip to that rip, guys. If you want to become part of this and get on early with us every single day when opportunities present themselves, check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us over at the Discord. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Prog, and Prog had hit a high today of 524, slightly above Friday's highs of 515, got rejected and fell downwards back to the fours. Now, we need to look at some key levels here before stating that this is going into extreme weakness. But the main reason why this moves so fast and at the same time goes down, right? It goes upwards really fast and goes down is because of the shorts. The shorts have flexibility. We're going to look at the data together on how they have this flexibility and why they are taking it to their advantage, because they are the same ones that uncover and recover on their short positions. And what I mean by that is they go ahead and cover their positions down here, for example, make it run up, and then they uncover and reshort the stock, making it go back down. And this is a big battle between the shorts and also the bulls and those that call themselves the frogs, right? Apart from being Prog, they're the frogs. Now, this has been a short squeeze candidate play since way back here in the ones, like I stated earlier in the video, that it's been a squeeze play. It's had its ups and downs, but it's been moving upwards with strength, forcing eventually for shorts to cover and get trapped. But a lot of them are taking advantage of covering and then going ahead and reshorting the stock. And this is the data that proves it. The short ratio here, if you have a more updated information, I would love for you to confirm down below if it's a little bit higher or lower than this. But if it's lower, it's even more flexibility that the shorts have. This updates every 2 days. It has a 2-day delay, but it's showing here 0.29. I don't know what you guys have, if you guys have Ortex or other sources, but 0.29 is pretty low, believe it or not, and it gives them the flexibility to reshort and unshort and cover and reshort on their positions. Super important to be aware of that, on how that works and how they're able to make that happen. Now, the support level based off today's low is 436. Now, if that gets broken through, the true support here is down here at this low of 396. If that gets broken through, that is the lowest point that we've seen after this run, and coming back down, that's going to be a key support level to watch. If it can bounce off of that or stay away from it, there is still some strength from down here to where we're at now in that move, right? We need to see if this can go ahead and have another leg up. But based off the 30-minute, there is a lot of weakness here, and we need to look at Ultimate 42 Vision, what it's showing. And Ultimate 42 Vision is clearly showing here a bear indicator after the last bull indicator down here from 408 all the way up to 483, nearly a 20% move between each one. And if you guys want to gain access to this clarity in the charts to be able to maximize on opportunities, you're more than welcome to join us. You gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and the indicators that bring the clarity like no other to focus in on what matters and maximize on opportunities through the weakness, through the strength and volatility. The last bear indicator was up here at the 578. Then it gave us a bull indicator, went all the way up to 522. And now we got a bear indicator here. We need to see if this could shift back up and give us another bull indicator, or if it stays in that trajectory. That's based off the 30-minute. But if we go ahead and look here at the 4-hour, okay, super important. There's been weakness here all day, okay? It was trying to transition from weakness into strength, and that strength went straight right back into weakness. This is super important to be aware of how much weakness this has shifted into. And the next part of this puzzle would be a red candlestick, okay? If we get red after dark green with red borders, we are certainly going into weakness, and this is losing strength really, really fast, and shorts are actually shorting this and putting pressure, okay? Now, when we look at the 1 day, it's important to realize how this is still showing strength, like it's fighting upwards, but this can quickly shift into weakness if it continues on the 30-minute, on the 4-hour, going into tomorrow and the next few days. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this. These are some key levels to watch. And again, if you want to receive clarity in the charts, join us. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And if you join 42 Vision tier level, you gain access to the indicators and my setup. And Ultimate 42 Vision is the one premium indicator that is on its way. I'm fine-tuning it, and this upgrade is coming very soon, and you're going to be able to maximize on opportunities through the volatility, receiving clarity like no other. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.